Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 2nd. This is going to be my analysis on the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly pound dollar, I still believe that this is going to grow into an uptrend. I think it's going to end up looking something like that, most likely a big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, or possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. Either way, I think it's going to go up and take out these highs and look something along those lines. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, even though this is kind of an odd pattern, most of the other dollar pairs look like they made an ABC. This is actually a way higher low right here, but I still think it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like a 1. I still think it's an ABC of 2, and I still think there's a very good likelihood that it's going to start going up to make a wave 3, 4, and wave 5. Just like what I was showing on the longer time frames, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1, or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. So let's keep all that in mind as we go down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can actually start to see this downtrend right here. We made a nice big impulsive move up. We made a break of structure on the shorter time frames. It looks like this trend right here is over, and if that really is a wave C, then that means that this is now back into an uptrend. So let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, we pretty much made lower lows, lower highs this whole way down until recently we broke structure to the upside. That tells me that this trend right here is over, and if that trend is a wave C, which I think it is based on correlated pairs, especially the dollar index, then I think that this is the end of a wave C, and I think that now we definitely want to start looking for longs in an uptrend. Now, we do have NFP news today, so we do have to be careful about that. That's a pretty good news event. But it really seems to me after that big move that we had yesterday that the news is already played into the market, and if anything, it's probably just going to keep on trending up. So at this point, with this big break of structure we had, I am definitely now looking for longs in an uptrend, and I'm only looking to go long at the end of ABC pullbacks for the continuation of what may even end up being a big wave 3 on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.